no way.
One thing I love about West Thames College is we work with real life clients. It gets you prepared for the outside world and it gives you a lot of experience.
One part of art that I'm really passionate about is graphic design and how you're able to use Photoshop and Illustrator to produce beautiful amounts of work.
My favorite part of this course is the practical side, where I'm able to dismantle a whole computer, put it back together.
I made a single door, and during that second project, it's easier, it's quicker because the skill set I'm already learned from level 2.
My cooking skills has really improved while at college.